Okay, you guys, so obviously we know I'm going back to laser away. One of my biggest insecurities that I've always been dealing with is my skin. Growing up as a child, not only being gay, but I was also dealing with my skin. And I'm not saying this because I'm trying to sell you guys like some acne treatment. I'm not trying to sell you guys like something to kind of take care of your acne and scars. I've always been really insecure about my skin, where when I do drag and when I do wear makeup, I do try my best to cover it and just try to give you, I call it second skin, and just kind of covering up my pores and scars. I'm actually very excited today to go back into the Laser Away office here in Orange County to start my skin resurfacing treatment. This is the year of self-care. This is the year of self-love. I strongly recommend you guys keep watching, subscribe to this channel, because I have tons and tons of projects coming up where I talk about like self-confidence, self-love, self-care. I want you guys to be able to relate to me and relate to the process. Let me know what you guys think on this journey, and I would love to see what you guys are going through too. And honestly, by the end of this year, I kind of want to be able to not use so much Facetune. Bitch, I use Facetune, and I love Facetune. And without Facetune, honey, let me tell you something. The people that you follow will not look the same. I can't wait. Let's get this going. What is this? I'm your favorite today. I'm your favorite today.
Slap this white thing on you.
What? So this numbs me?
Yes.
Oh my god, this is like totally... It feels like cream cheese.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Oh wow. And this numbs the whole face? I like being numb. That sounds horrible. I've never done any like skin resurfacing or anything.
Is a treat.
What is this called again? This is
Clear and Brilliant.
Clear and Brilliant.
Yeah, so it's definitely gonna help with the skin, make your skin really smooth.
Thank God. It feels so thick. Do you do this?
It's
Yeah.
my favorite treatment.
Really? I'm so excited.
Yeah.
I have huge pores and I always love covering them with like makeup. And I hate seeing them.
Yeah, but this is really going to help. Honestly, you do need to do it like aggressively. So every 2-3 weeks is what I recommend for the next like 4, 5, 6 treatments.
And then you start to see.
No, you'll see it right away, but it's better to
Just
for
to
your
kind of
skin.
keep going.
Keep going.
Okay.
Intense.
I have huge pores. You can like hide stuff in mine.
Oh my god. You're out of control. So you're gonna feel it the most like on the sides right here.
Okay. I'm scared.
Don't be scared.
I'm not scared, I love attention. I'm scared. Alright guys, so I have the numbing cream on. They're just so nice, they're so sweet. They make you feel so welcoming. They actually, you know what I love? Is that she was like, you need to hurry up and get numb. So the process of this is about 30 minutes. She said, basically, trust me, you want to be numb for this process. Yes, you'll start to see results after you're done, but it's important that you guys stay with it. And I truly believe in that. It's like when something works, you want to keep and stay with it as much as you can. I'm gonna quickly show you guys my room. It's very secluded, you feel very discreet. So it's definitely a friendly environment. She says that I'm gonna start to feel the outside more and then going in. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated on what the numbing feels like, because I've never had this much numbing on. This is kind of insane. Ooh, okay, so I think it's about 10 minutes in, and whoa. It feels like numbing and cold, like right here. I feel like my lips are getting bigger too. This is my first Clear and Brilliant.
Clear and Brilliant. So post-treatment, your skin is going to be pretty red.
Okay.
You're going to have like a dry, it's like a texture thing. You won't really see it, but you're going to have like kind of like a dry sandpaper feel.
Oh, wow.
Post-treatment, like 3 to 5 days.
No makeup.
You can wear makeup. I would say probably not for the first 24 hours post-treatment.
Okay,
let your skin kind of like, you know, breathe, do its thing. Otherwise, you don't use any like prescription topical creams on your face or anything.
No, just use like a Kiehl's face moisturizer.
Okay, so over-the-counter stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, so you've been numbing, so we use lidocaine on you, so you're gonna, you know, it's hopefully you're nice and numb at this point.
It's like numb and cold.
You can't feel your lips or anything, right? It's kind of weird.
No, I kind of like it.
That's how you know it's working. Okay, so what I'm gonna have you do right now is I'm gonna have you head to the restroom. So there's rolled washcloths, they're clean, in a basket on the left side. What you're gonna do is you're gonna wet it under some warm water. Just remove the numbing cream. You don't have to use face wash or anything. It gets kind of slippery, slidey. I'll meet you back in here. What's like your skin concern? Because I don't really notice you don't really have like pigmentation issues. Is it more like texture?
It's a texture thing. Like I grew up with like a lot of acne, scars. I just want like
smoother.
Obviously, it's smoother. Yeah.
Okay, because there's two different hand pieces to the Clear and Brilliant. I don't know if they like went over that with you during consult or anything. So there's the Permea hand piece, which I have hooked up right now. This is mainly for pigmentation issues. So this kind of stays more to like the outer layer of your skin. So it says Permea. Kind of like to think of it as P for pigmentation, Permea.
Got it. Sure,
so the other one is in a box down here. I'll hook it up once I'll like set it all up once you're washing off the numbing cream. But that one's the original hand piece, and it goes to the second layer of your skin. So a little bit deeper than this one, and it's gonna help stimulate collagen. It's gonna help tone and texture of your skin. So like pore size, texture.
That.
Yeah. So like acne scarring, things like that. Sounds like what you need.
Yeah.
Okay.
I want that.
So that one's a popular one. I'll have you go to the restroom. It's to the left side. Again, just warm water. Just wipe it off.
I'm in the restroom, and now we're gonna go ahead and remove the numbing cream with a towel with warm water. Oh my god, I can't even like feel my face. I literally can't feel my face. Oh my god, I can't even feel my face as I was like taking it off.
God, are you okay? Sometimes when I'm like during like treatment and stuff, I'm like, all right, tuck in your upper lip, tuck in your lower lip. They're like, am I doing it? I'm like, oh, you're doing it. I know, it feels weird. It's a good thing though. We need you to be numb for this treatment because it can be a little bit uncomfortable.
Really?
Yeah, it's gonna kind of feel like a little like hot.
Stings.
Yeah,
Scratchy.
but you'll be okay. I'm just gonna use an alcohol pad just to make sure all the numbing cream's off on, so the smell's gonna be a little bit more potent. Sorry about that. Just gonna be real quick, okay? Okay, Vaughn, I'm just gonna go ahead and set up the machine real quick, and then we'll get started, okay?
Yes.
So we're gonna go ahead and start with the left side of your forehead first.
Okay.
Just let me know if it's becoming too hot. You're gonna feel warmth, but sometimes it comes like a little too stingy. I do have a little handheld fan, okay?
Okay.
So we can go ahead and use that as well. You okay?
Wow, that's
So
so
what
weird.
it's gonna feel like.
Okay.
So we're gonna be going vertical right now, and then I'm gonna be going horizontal as well. And then I just want to let you know the forehead is gonna be a little bit more sensitive than the other areas, okay?
Okay.
So if you can manage this, you can probably tolerate the other areas.
It feels like a bunch of needles.
Right?
Yeah.
Have you ever done like micro needling or anything?
No. It feels like...
So it's kind of like a similar concept, but it's using laser. So as I'm like rolling this tip over your skin, it's releasing like tens and thousands of like micro lesions into your skin with laser.
Oh wow.
So it's like kind of like that concept of like damaging your skin on purpose, kind of, boosting those skin cells to kind of recover. Your texture is gonna be smoother, pores are gonna be smaller too. And then if you have any acne scarring issues, that'll help a lot. Kind of speed up that healing process.
And this is a common procedure people do a lot.
This is very common. You doing okay so far? Good. So this is where I'm going back to go horizontal, okay?
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna do the right side right here. You doing okay?
Yeah, I can see why the forehead's a little different. It's like, I don't even feel these.
Okay, good.
When it makes that like skippy noise, what does that mean?
So it's making sure that I'm covering all the zones. Like
it.
right here, right now.
Yeah, but then it has like a...
Oh, kind of like a...
That one.
Oh, that one. So it's like kind of like at a standstill where it's like it's covered, but it's kind of like stumbling a little bit.
Got it.
This is why we also go the other route. So I'll go vertical and then we'll go horizontal. All right, Vaughn, we're going horizontal, okay? Not for your first time.
Are people usually like, oh my god?
Yeah, everyone's a little bit different with sensitivity, but so I usually always start with the forehead to kind of see.
I will say the forehead was like, OMG. Oh my gosh.
Let's go ahead and do chin area, Vaughn. I'm gonna have you tuck in your bottom lip. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna start with the right side first, okay?
Okay.
Do you tend to see like a difference after the first session?
You'll gradually see differences, like results, as the sessions go on, but it's not gonna be something like super dramatic.
Got it.
Yeah. So you should be seeing your skin getting, softer. Appearance-wise, like pores, that might take some time.
Got it.
And then any like scarring, that again with time will fade. Okay, so chin is done. Let's go ahead and do upper lip. I'm gonna have you tuck that in. Perfect. I know you can't feel anything. I'm gonna start with the right side. Okay, last area is center brow and nose.
Okay.
We'll do center brow first. Okay, let's go for the nose. Alright, that's it.
Yay.
That's your first treatment.
Wow.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove the goggles, so it's gonna be bright. Let me just dim the lights a bit, it's gonna be super bright for you. Let's go ahead and get a Hydro Serum facial sheet mask on you, okay?
Okay.
It's gonna help cool you down because I know your face is probably feeling
like
like it's hot,
burning.
right? Yeah. Overall, how was that though? Everything? Was it
was
what you
good.
thought it was gonna be?
Yeah, kinda. It was actually
Was it a little bit more tolerable than you were thinking, or?
the forehead I could tell was a little like, oh my god. But like right here it was like, it was good.
You did really well, actually.
Yay, thanks.
Yeah. Okay, here comes the mask. Be very cold. Hopefully this helps that sensation go down a bit.
Oh my god, it feels so good.
I know, it's like the best part. So this mask has like vitamins and antioxidants in it. So it's serum infused. So afterwards, when we remove it, you can just let it, you know, rub it into your skin, let it dry. You don't have to wash it off or anything, okay? What's your skincare regimen at home? Do you use any exfoliants or toners?
Yeah, I use everything.
Toners, let's hold off on that.
Okay.
At least 3 to 4 days, and then actually make that 7 days. What kind of toner is it? Is it like?
It's like a Kiehl's.
It's the Kiehl Blue Estrogen, like the powerful one.
Oh,
the
okay,
alcohol
yeah, I
one.
would hold that off at least
Okay.
7 days, and then exfoliating 7 days as well, because your skin texture is going to be going through some changes, so you don't want to irritate it by, you know, exfoliating, like using scrubs. That goes for also chemical exfoliants as well if you do any of that. Otherwise, like the first 3 days, like today, tomorrow, and the next day, use like gentle cleanser, gentle moisturizer if you can.
For the laser.
Yeah, the laser goggles.
Oh.
Yeah, you just want to keep it gentle first 3 days. Also, do you wash your face with like hot water?
Mm-hmm.
Probably like do warmer to cooler water for the first 3 days, because we just, you know, did a laser facial, so you don't want to add more heat to your skin. That can also irritate it. Moisturizing's fine. Cleanser, all that's recommended. Sunscreen for sure. Okay. The sun's coming back out, so make sure you wear sunscreen, SPF 50. Otherwise, that's pretty much post-care for you. Yeah. No questions?
No.
All right.
It's just like, wow.
I know.
Burning, but like
Burning,
cooler.
but burn good.
Like,
Yeah, you might have like that burning sensation for like the next hour or so. It should, I mean, sometimes everyone's a little different. It should go away though by the end of tonight, but just don't do anything to irritate it.
Okay, thank you.
Otherwise, yeah.
Alright guys, so just got home. Wow, I'm super red, so it's getting red. There is a tint of SPF 50 sunscreen on top of it that Laser Away provided as well. But I'm gonna touch back with you guys in a few hours, let you guys know how I feel, what I look like, and etc. But you guys, as of now, I do know the side effect is that you do get a little red, and I am red. I was gonna do makeup today, but I'm actually gonna skip makeup today, but wow. Right, I don't even feel the stinging anymore, the burning is gone. So right now, I think I'm just kind of recovering. I'll see you guys in a bit. Are you guys enjoying my appointment with Laser Away? I'm so excited. But you guys, it has been exactly 24 hours later. I'm gonna give you guys a quick update on how I'm feeling. Honestly, my skin has definitely gone down. It's not as red. It's not as, I always wanna say like the feeling of it was almost as if I was like sunburned. I know that sounds super terrible. That sounds kind of crazy, but that's kind of almost the feeling. Obviously, from the entire visit, that's the process of it. But now my skin has healed. I feel like super normal. What I noticed, I definitely can tell the difference. Obviously, these process, it does take a couple of visits. So Laser Away was so kind enough to call me and check up on me as well. And that's what I love so much about them, is that they always make sure that you're okay. So my next visit is gonna be in a month. But I'm so excited to get on this skin journey with Laser Away. I can literally tell the difference. I haven't put on any makeup yet. All I've been doing is literally just washing my face, making sure I have toner. And then also when I was in the Laser Away office, the staff was so kind enough to let me go ahead and try some amazing skin products. The staff introduced us to some skincare that I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try some because my skincare routine, it changes all the time. And I feel like the skincare route is always so hard. So when you find something, you kind of stick to it. So I'm changing mine right now, but let me just go ahead and show you guys what I have. So in my bathroom here, we have the Wake Me Up and My Hero. Now the Wake Me Up obviously is right here. It's firming, it's a day serum, so that's something you put on before your moisturizer during the day, and then at night when you're about to go to sleep, you want to go ahead and put the My Hero. This has retinol night serum, so I've been trying this out, and so far it's been really good on my skin, and I'm obsessed with it. So you guys, I want to know if you guys love these videos. Let me know if you guys love these. I try to kind of step out of the box and do different things when it comes to beauty, because who knows, you guys are probably on the same journey as me. In the meantime, you guys, I will see you guys in a few days with a beauty video. I have been craving to do makeup, so you guys, I have a good video coming up. Tons and tons of new stuff in my office that I can't wait to share with you guys. Hit that subscribe button. I love you guys so much. Happy New Year. It's starting off amazing, and I hope your 2020 is starting off amazing. I'll see you guys in a few days.